This maple tree has got some sucker growth along it, and you want to cut this off because one thing is unattractive, but also it takes away the nutrients from the actual tree, so we want to get rid of them. And what we'll do is we'll cut about 1/4 of an inch from the trunk and simply cut them off. Some of them are so small I can just rub them off. There. Now there's also there's a limb here that's trying to cross this other limb, so I'm going to get rid of it so it doesn't continue to rub up against the other limb. This one is dead, so I'll trim that off also. And that's it for now. We'll see how it grows and see what else needs to be trimmed next year.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.